What do I do? I was the co-founder of Storify. I founded Hacks and Hackers, which is a group of journalists and technologists, and I'm working on my next thing. The inspiration was basically trying to bring together social media and journalism. I just felt that journalists could do what they always have done, which is take lots of information and condense it for readers in a way that's understandable. Like, there has to be some way to apply these skills to social media, and that's really where the idea came from for Storify, is thinking of ways to for journalists to do fact-checking, research, giving context around what's going on in the world, but just using social media as a source. Well, I think we've seen kind of major big platforms develop from social media, but I really actually think this idea of social and interaction and what technology has enabled has just barely been tapped so far. I really think there is much more potential to social media than these big social networks, and I think you see people kind of looking for more, something closer, like deeper interactions than they've gotten from some of the existing large social networks, which is why you see the rise of things like Snapchat. It's ephemeral, it's more personal. I think you'll see more around like niche topics and niche interests than we've really seen. So I think we're still very early in where all this is going. I mean, in 5 years, social media might actually mean like wearing virtual reality headsets and meeting people like in virtual rooms or something like that, which maybe people have thought would happen for a long time now. So I don't know if anybody's actually going to want to do that, but I think that is a big part of potentially where things are going, and just kind of more making things more human that they've been. I think still technology is a pretty poor substitute for actual interaction with people, but it seems like that gap is growing narrower and narrower over time.